Question. Have you ever heard of banana apple bread? What? Back in a minute. Hi, this is Jan from New York City. My channel name is Jan from New York City Saves Money. I had a hankering for something sweet, as I always do. Want something a little sweet on the weekend. The rest of the week, I'm pretty much just a maybe have a little bit of fruit kind of person and avoid carbs for the most part and avoid sugary sweet things for the most part all week. However, either on a Saturday, I'll check it out, maybe on a Saturday, or I'll check it out on a Sunday to make it my kind of sort of, if you will, cheat day. Now, I'm going to make what I thought to be a banana bread because I thought I had enough bananas. In fact, I had 0 bananas, but I still had a hankering. What makes me laugh, though, I love this product, and I give it a AAA plus rating, the product. But I'm a little confused about something. If you make banana muffins, you don't need bananas, okay? But if you make banana bread, it asks you on the back of the box to put in bananas. Let me get it specifically. See? On the bottom, if you will, say like half cup of mashed banana to do the banana bread instruction. So does that imply to me where it doesn't state that, it does not state that you're just getting plain old banana bread, probably with an artificial flavoring. So I went to check the flavoring aspect of it. It did say artificial flavoring. It didn't say what flavoring. So I'm just going to take a shot because if you need a half a cup of bananas, and I do want to make it in the loaf style, as you see, I don't see where it would hurt to have, let's say, a half a cup of grated apple. So I'm going to follow the instructions to the letter, and I'm sure it'll come out all right. And what I'll do is I'll use this on the thumbnail so you'll see the final finished product of this. This is what I mean by thinking outside of the box. Now, when I had an overabundance of apples anyway. Now, the requirement for the oil here says, let me get it right, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. And to do the muffins, it's a half a cup of vegetable oil, if I'm reading this properly. Can I tell you, I never do that. Excuse me, it's a 1/3 cup on the top, vegetable oil. But I never do that. I take a couple of capfuls, maybe probably 1, 2, 3 maximum capfuls. What do I mean by capful? I mean the top of the oil. There you go. There you go. That's the capful. And I'm thinking outside of the box. And then I throw everything in. I literally do it as a dump cake. It is the easiest way to do it. I grease my loaf pan. So wish me luck. I am sure that thinking outside of the box, and I have these shiny, beautiful apples. So it's really a matter of moisture. And anyway, the worst thing that this could taste like is sort of like a yellow apple taste, because to me, when I was a kid, and I used to make my mom laugh, I used to call yellow apples, golden delicious apples. I used to call them banana apples. So it's kind of like a funny thing to me, putting the apples in a banana cake. Let's see how it turns out. I should say banana bread. I like the idea of the loaf because I could cut it in slices. I could wrap it up and just have it handy dandy whenever I want. So therefore, what am I suggesting in this video? When you don't have things, think outside the box. When you want a little sweet, but you have the cake mix, do what you can, the bread mix, do what you can, and make it up your way. Who knows? It just might be really, really, really good. All right, and I'll let you know in the pin post section, but I will take a picture of it. Oh, my oven's a calling. It's preheated. So let me get all the ingredients together, and you'll see the final result on the thumbnail. In the meantime, this has been Jan from New York City. Thank you so much for viewing. Why? Because I really do appreciate whose time, your time. Don't forget to be creative whenever you run out of stuff. You never know. Just might taste really, really good. Have an amazing, fantastic day. Take good care now. Bye-bye.